Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for Treasure NFTs using a referral code. First, it's important to understand the benefits, which often include exclusive rewards or discounts. Before you begin, make sure you have a compatible cryptocurrency wallet, like MetaMask, already set up. You'll also need to fund this wallet with a small amount of cryptocurrency, such as Ethereum or Matic, to cover any potential gas fees during the registration process. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient sign-up experience. Next, you'll need to find a valid referral code. These are often shared by existing community members or found on official promotional channels. Once you have your code, visit the official Treasure NFT platform. During the sign-up or registration process, you will see a clearly labeled field, usually titled Referral Code or Invite Code. Carefully enter your alphanumeric code into this box to ensure it's applied correctly and you receive your benefits. 236. With your referral code entered, the next step is to complete your registration. You will be prompted to securely connect your cryptocurrency wallet to the platform. After connecting, take a moment to read through the terms of service and privacy policy before accepting them. Finally, confirm your registration. This often involves a small blockchain transaction, known as a gas fee, to verify your account on the network. This step is crucial for securing your new Treasure NFT profile. 26. Congratulations, you've successfully signed up. Now you can enjoy the exclusive benefits from your referral code, which might include bonus tokens, discounts on fees, or early access to new collections. 235. Your next steps involve exploring the Treasure NFT marketplace. Dive into the diverse offerings, engage with the community, and participate in various events. This is your opportunity to discover unique digital assets and become an active member of the Treasure NFT ecosystem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.